Here goes.
And picked up trees in Todd's truck to bring them back.
Uh-oh.
Oh no!
Woohoo!
Fire! You got fire!
Oh my god, that is hot. It's gonna get the other tree. Oh, there.
Well, you're gonna have to buy new wheels for the thing now.
Uh-oh, that's a problem.
Oh, it is on fire.
Get a fire extinguisher! Go!
That's a problem.
Oh,
Now that's a dedicated man.
Still going.
Might have beer.
That really is fire retardant on that first tree.
Oh yeah, that was a phenomenal. That's the best one ever.